pass. Just get some sleep.
Didn't pass.
Sheldon, I'm real sorry. I'll tell you a secret. Never understood how lightning works.
Didn't they teach you that in high school?
They probably did, but I got hit in the head a lot playing football. Would you explain it to me?
When positive and negative charges grow large enough, a giant spark occurs in the cloud.
Well, that's pretty cool. But what causes the thunder?
It's a shock wave from particles heated to 10,000 degrees.
Interesting.
You want to know what's really interesting?